Hey everyone! Welcome to this straightforward guide on how to withdraw XRP from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, sell, or just move your assets around, this step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely and efficiently. With crypto regulations evolving, it's always smart to stay updated, so let's dive right in. First, before you start, make sure you have the basics covered. You'll need the Trust Wallet app installed on your device, some XRP in your wallet, and a verified Coinbase account. Also, confirm that XRP is available on Coinbase, as support can change based on rules in your region. Alright, let's break it down. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and go to your XRP wallet. You'll see your balance and transaction options there. Step 2. Head over to your Coinbase account on the web or app. Navigate to your XRP wallet and copy the deposit address. This is super important. Double check that it's specifically for XRP to avoid any errors. Step 3. Back in Trust Wallet, tap on the Send button for your XRP. Paste the address you copied from Coinbase into the recipient field. Step 4. Enter the amount of XRP you want to withdraw. Be mindful of network fees and make sure you're not sending the minimum required amount. Always leave a little extra for gas. Step 5. Review all the details on the screen, including the address and fees. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation notification once it's sent. Now, sit tight. Transactions can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on blockchain congestion. Keep an eye on your Coinbase account for the funds to appear. A quick tip. Always verify addresses to prevent scams, and if you're new to this, start with a small amount. Withdrawing crypto involves risks, so stay secure. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw XRP from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.